Hello, welcome to the first of a series of lessons aimed at young children and families. Each day, a new video or poster will be posted to our Facebook relating to the current celebrations in our church. Yesterday we started off with the first Gospel of the Holy Unction, the Good Samaritan. And today we'll continue with the story of Zachaeus. Zachaeus stretched up to the lowest branch of the tree. He could only just reach. He was such a little man. He began to climb. Zachaeus wanted to see Jesus, but there were so many people. They were bigger than he was, and he couldn't see past them. So he said to himself, "I'll climb that tree, and I'll be able to see him from there." Jesus came by. Zachaeus looked right down at him from his tree. To his surprise, Jesus stopped. He looked right up at Zachaeus. "Come down from that tree," Jesus said with a big smile. "I want to come to your house today." He said it as if they were friends already. Zachaeus was very excited. He was rich, but no one wanted to be friends with him. Zachaeus was a taxman and a cheat. Whenever he came to collect people's money, he made them pay too much. "How can Jesus go to that man's house?" everyone grumbled. "Zachaeus is nothing but a nasty little cheat." But Zachaeus stopped cheating. Jesus was his friend now. He wouldn't like it. "I shall give half my money to the people who don't have enough," he said. And later that day, he said, "I'll pay back everyone I've cheated 4 times as much as I took." "It's people like you I want to rescue and bring back to God," Jesus said. He was very pleased. Now, what can we learn from this gospel? Jesus' actions in this gospel are very surprising, as a lot of people asked Jesus to go to his house and visit their homes and eat dinner with them. But why did he choose Zachaeus? Jesus chose Zachaeus because he saw him as someone he needed to save. By visiting Zachaeus, Jesus showed him something that it seems that no one had shown him in a long time: love. This is one of Jesus' key messages, and one that links yesterday's gospel to today's. From today's gospel, we see that by showing others love, we get back much more love than we gave originally. So how can this holy gospel influence our lives? So the key learning from today's gospel, the takeaway you can take home with you, is love. If we show love to others, it'll be reciprocated much more, not only to ourselves, but the people around us. So when you return to school or back to work, think about those people who might not have a lot of love shown to them in that work environment. Maybe it's somebody who sits on the side in the classroom, doesn't have many friends. Maybe it's somebody who sits in the lunchroom at work and eats by themselves. Go up to them, talk to them, ask them how they're doing. Make friends with that person. That person will love you for it, and you'll create friendships that will last a while.